Okay, my washing machine, which has had multiple visits and multiple parts repaired, which is still not cleaning my clothes properly. I have shown you that it does not drain out the suds even through multiple rinsings and washings with no added detergent. Now I'm going to show you what happens when I put clothes in with detergent. So, this is the clothes I have. You can see these are towels. It's a little mix, but it's like mostly towels. And there's space at the top. It's not overfilled. So there's my towels. My towels smell horrible. I've tried everything to get them to smell better, including washing them with no detergent. I've tried vinegar. I've tried everything. Nothing will make these things smell any better, because I don't think they're rinsing all the detergent out of them. So that's how much laundry is in there. So let's go to the detergent. The detergent. Alright, let me make sure I get a shot so you know this is good for an HE machine. Okay, for standard and HE machines. Okay, so that's the detergent. There is how much I'm supposed to. These are the use instructions. Now, you can see it says measure to the bottom line 3 for medium load to top line of 5 for heavily soiled or larger loads. Now, here's the thing. This is a heavily soiled larger load. However, I've always been told you don't use that much for HEs. And also the guy that came here to work on my wash machine last time told me to use very, very, very little detergent. He said use less than the manufacturer recommends. I told him I already did that, and my clothes still smell horrible. He told me to put on perfume to cover up the smell of my dirty clothes, which kind of defeats the entire purpose of a washing machine. So, I think my washing machine should actually wash my clothes. So anyhow, and I have tried different detergents if that subject comes up. I've tried like 6. Okay, so here is the instructions. Again, it recommends to put it to line 5. Okay, I am actually going to put it to line 1. I've actually already pre-poured it. See if you can actually see inside. If you see, yeah, you can see it. That detergent is at line 1, okay? So I'm doing like a 1/5 of what the manufacturer is recommending, okay? A 1/5. That's what's going in. So, there's my detergent thing, holder. Pour that in. If you look, let's get it to focus. If you, try again to focus. Okay, you look, you can see that this is nowhere near the top of the max line. I'm actually going to pull it out so you can see it better. There's the max line. There you go, you can see it there. I'm not even remotely tickling it. I'm nowhere in the vicinity of it. So, lots and lots of room. I'm using much less detergent than the manufacturer recommends, because the Sears guy told me that I need to use a lot less detergent, even though I'm not using a lot of detergent normally anyhow. Because I do know HEs usually don't use as much detergent. That's going in. So, we are going to set this up we're going to do it as a hot, heavy, and we're going to do, actually, we're going to do a no spin. And the reason we're going to do no spin is because I'm going to have to wash it again, because I absolutely guarantee you 110% that the detergent will not rinse out of the towels. I'm rinsing them 2, 3, sometimes 4 times, and not always getting detergent out even after all of that. There's something definitely very wrong with this washing machine. Okay, so anyhow, so we're doing heavy, hot, no spin, and I'm going to be doing another run. It's going to start, and we will check back on it later. Okay, bye. Alright, we're in to check on the washing machine. Don't know if you can see the suds or not. You can see a little bit. Now, the guy told me, the washing machine person said you should not see suds. But I see suds. So, I'm 50 minutes in. I'll pause it. Open her up. Oh, it smells really bad in here. God, it smells horrible. Okay. Oh, that really stinks. Anyhow. Shh. If you listen, you can actually hear the suds. You can see them. It's disgusting dirty. They're in there all up in this little rim. You can't see it. Hold on. Wait, pause. Sorry. It's really hard to see. But basically, in this little white, there it is. You can see how sudsy it's in there. Very, really sudsy up in there. I don't know if you can see on this side too. You can't see as well on this side. But you can see how nasty dirty it is. Goodness gracious. Anyhow, you can't see the sides of the open because there's clothes in here, but you could hear them. I'm not sure how well the audio picked it up. I won't know until later. But that's 15 minutes in. And again, I guarantee you it will not fully rinse out. So, we'll check back. Alright, so the washing machine is done. It's all done. You can see it didn't quite rinse very well, considering there's actually hair in it. But the suds, it's hard to see in a wet, dark washing machine. So what I'm going to do is start a load again. No new detergent is going in, so, and we'll see how sudsy it is. So last time we did it, let's try if I focus, we did it on hot with no spin and heavy, okay? So we're gonna do a normal spin, and we are going to do extra rinse. I want to make sure it actually gets rinsed. And we'll do normal. Alright. Actually, I guess we could do heavy duty. We don't need pre-wash though. We'll do extra rinse. How do we need extra rinse? Okay. Again, no new detergent is getting added. There's no new detergent. There's a little bit of water at the bottom. There's always water in the bottom, but no new detergent. And let's see how that looks. Later I will come and check on it. Alright, so the washer's been running for just a couple minutes. And you can see look at all those suds. See them all collecting. It's not rinsing properly. Pause. See the suds. This isn't a wash machine. I did not have any detergent added to it. See the suds underneath. The suds are all over this door. No detergent was added. This has already gone through a rinse using a fifth of the detergent recommended by a manufacturer. A fifth. It's not rinsing, and if you look really close, there you go. You see that? See how that water is soapy and nasty. This is on clothes that are supposed to be clean. They just went through a wash. See, the washing machine is not washing these clothes properly. I guess we'll continue to wash.